Okay, let us now proceed to the other equation of line is the 2 point form. 2 point. Ibig sabihin ng 2 point, dalawang point ang ating gagamitin at ito po ay ginamit natin sa paghahanap ng slope yung 2 points. At this time we are uh, going to make the equation of a line. So ito po ang ating gagamitin formula. Y minus y sub 1, the slope, and then x minus x sub 1. So after getting the slope, we are going to choose one point doon sa dalawang points na given. So nagawa na po natin yung point, yung slope rather. Ito na yung slope. Then remember na yung slope natin ay ito po, lowest term na po ito. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo po dito, if you are using the rise and run, eh bakit po ito ay kukulangin? Dalawa lang dito. That is 2. 2 lang yung rise mo. And then 1 yung run. Because it is reduced to lowest term. No? Reduced na po. But anyway, if you can see the intercept, automatic po makita mo agad yung intercept. Setting for this 0. So you can see the intercept 4. That's right. Okay, and then getting the value of x, we have minus 2x plus 4. Changing the position, so 2x equals 4. Then getting the value of x equals 4 over 2 equals x equals 2. That's why we have 2 and 0. That is, yun na po ang checking natin. And then dito po ay 0, 4. Okay, because we got intercept of 4, 0, 4. Okay, correct. So how to do the 2-point form? Ito lang, get the slope and then substitute the value of y sub 1, y sub 2. Bahala kayo kung saan nyo ang inyong gagamitin dito. Pare-pareho lang yan. So sa akin, ginamit ko po ang 0.1 ito. So it's up to you kung saan yung gagamitin. The same po ang kalabasan yan. So ika nga, mamili lang kayo dyan. Anin sa inyo ang 0.1 sa inyo dyan. Kaya nga walang label yan. Okay. So ayan, I use this 2 and 0. So you can see, I substitute the y sub 1 by 0 and then x sub 1 by 2. So simplifying that, I get the equation of this y0 and then 4 over negative 2 and then ayan. Then simplifying ulit, ayan, we have now 0 minus 2x, 2 na lang yan, negative 2, and then x minus 2. Then wala na, y plus minus 2x, distribute negative 2x, and then negative times negative, negative, positive. So that's now the final answer. At ang makuha mo po ay nasa form ng y mx plus b. You can see, ayan, nasa y mx plus b ang nakuha mo. And then by this equation, you can find the, check if the equation is correct by getting the point. Kung yan ay tumutugma sa yung kalabasan kaya yung ginawa ko. Since na tama lahat ang ating ginawa, that is correct. At huwag kalimutan lagi na yung sagot nyo sa equation of line always write in the standard. And the value of x is always in positive. That's why if negative, change to positive. Thus post or equate by AP. Huwag kalimutan. And the general form, kapag tinatanong kayo, this is the general form. Yan. Kung bakit naging negative, kasi nga nasa kabila, lipat, maging negative. You can use the transposition property or the AP. Okay. We have another example here. The same naman yan. Our points, we have 5 and 0 and 0, 1. So if we have already the points, you can plot the points on the graph or directly. Then malaman nyo na agad. Then if you want to use the rise and run, so locate the point and then okay, so from other point then going to other point, so just run from here 1 2 3 4 5 and then the rise 1. So the same naman yung sa akin lang din. Then getting the slope, so pwedeng rise and run, the slope is 1 over 5 and then the formula of the slope, okay, the same 1 over 5. Then finally, by using the y equal mx plus b, you can get the equation, no? The equation of line. Okay. So, ayan. Pareho pa rin din. Pareho yung ating ginagawa at the same time. ay, if you want to use the 2 points, yes, the 2 points talaga yung ating gagamitin dito. No? Okay, so just follow the formula of 2 points and then at the end, no, yung inyong final answer ay nasa form ng y equals mx plus b. Yun. Next. The next one is about the internship form. Internship form, okay. So the meaning of internship form is about okay, writing the equation of line, but your given points, no, your given points must have the value of 0, either the x and y. So makita niyo po, yan ang ating ginagamit example para pareho. So I use that para mas mapadali tayo, mapadali. So to do that, para magawa yung equation ng line, kagaya nito, we use the internship form. At ito yung formula niya, x over y plus y, x over a plus y over b equals 1. And then, don't forget that your x, and then the ordinate, no, is 0. And then the other one intercepting, yung ma-intercept ni y, na dadaanan ni y, your x is 0 and then y is given. Okay, or present. So, ayan, just follow the variables. Change the variables by the value. So now, we have x over 2 plus y over 4 equals 1. So pareho, ginagaya natin. Then, simplifying the value. So to remove the first, the denominators, use the LCD, okay, or multiplying by 4, both sides. So 4 times 4x over 2, then 4 times y, 4y over 4. So after that, you can remove this. Okay. Or by using the LCD. 4 divided by 2, that is 2x. 4 divided by 2, 2x, that's right. Because after that, dividing 2x plus y equals 4. Equals 4. So it's no way 4. Okay, 4. So yun, we have now the standard form. Okay. Excuse me. And then the form of y mx plus b. Okay. So nakuha na po natin. So pag may equation na tayo, punta ka na sa pagkuha ng mga points, pag-check kung tama. Okay, so but the main purpose naman natin ay getting the equation of the line. At connected talaga yon na malaman mo yung slope, then paano kumuha ng points o alamin yung points, napakalaga yan. Dapat ma-master mo yan. Kasi kahit paikot-ikutin ka, anong paggamit sa iyo, anong given doon, you can use any equation of line. Anumang formula ang iyong gamitin, kayang-kaya mo sagutin yan. Okay? So, remember that. Okay, so, ayun, yung ginamit natin, ano, okay. Ito na, other example, we have 2x plus y equals 4, so we have it is written in the standard form, that's right. And then first, getting the value of y, so, by using the setting the value to x equals 0. So this time pala, naka-equation na siya ng line, no? Line. Ang pinapalam sa atin dito, hanapin natin yung point gamit yung ating x and y intercept. So napakadali lang naman din eh. Yung laging tinuturo natin, set the value of x and y to 0. Laging palitan mo yung y and x and 0, then you will get the value of you can get the value of points. Okay, malaman yung mga points dyan. So now, you can get the point 0 for ano pa bang yung ways natin na pwedeng gawin. Y equals mx plus b. You can use that. Mas madali. Okay. For that equation, you can get, so change to, transform to this equation, y equals mx plus b, or the internship form, the y internship form. So, pag nalipat mo na yan, your internship is equal to 4. And then, obviously, no, na kapag may ganon, yung x may 0. That's why. 4. So, intercept mo ng y ay 4. So, ayan. Makita mo na agad by y mx plus b. But anyway, lahat ng yan ay gamit na gamit, no? So, set to 0 your x and set to 0 your y. Okay. And then, lahat ng yan. So, ang dami natin, paulit-ulit natin ginamit. So, sundan lang. And then, we have the other one, the point slope. The point slope na lang. So, kanina, 2 points. Ngayon ay point slope kasi nga, yung 2 points na ginamit natin na 0,4, ayan. So, ito naman natin ginagamit. Ito po hindi natin sinama na, pero the same pa rin yan. So, ito po ay, ibig sabihin yan ay, y minus y sub 1 equals mx m times x minus x sub 1. So, ibig sabihin yan, given na nakuha natin yung slope. Ito yun, na-compute natin. Kaya connected dyan, yung 2 points sa point slope. So, 2 points, o 2 points form, ay, na siya, nung simplified na siya ng point slope. Simplified na. Kasi sa 2 points, andun talaga yung formula slope. Dito, ibibigyan na siya yung slope, no, may slope na tayo, at 1 point ang given. So, mas pinadali siya. And then, kalabasan niya, ito pa rin, in the form of the intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So, lahat magka-connected yan, no? Nakita niyo po. Connected. Ito po, pinakita sa inyo, ha, kung saan nanggaling yung slope. Although, given na yan, sa mga tanong, given na yan. But anyway, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. At baka magtaka kayo, bakit 2 na lang yun, eh, naka-lowest term. So, kapag hinahap dito yung rest and run, baka magtaka kayo. Nasabi ko na yun kanina na may lowest term siya. So, yun, the same lahat. Okay, so, paikot-ikot lang siya, connected lahat. Yung sa inyong module, medyo talagang babasahin mo nyo lahat. Mahirap siya unawain. So, dito, lahat ng lahat ng lesson nyo sa module, ginawa ng simplified ko. At, sundan nyo lang, no? Paikot-ikot lang sila. Alam mo kung paano hanapin yung points. Alam mo kung paano hanapin ang slope. Gamit yung formula, gamit yung rest and run. Alam mo kung paano gumawa ng equation and line. Yan, pag may points ka, ang ipapagawa sa iyo, hanapin yung slope at yung equation and line. Kapag may equation and line ka, hanapin mo yung slope at hanapin mo yung points at i-graph. Ganun lagi ang sa slope natin na lessons. Diba? So, nakakatuwa ang slope. Mamaster mo lang yan eh. Ang galing-galing mo na. Okay. So, ito yung next example natin about the point slope, no? So, ang ibig sabihin ay yung ating ginawa natin kanina, pareho din yan. So, given yung point sa given yung slope sa isang point. So, our formula in writing the equation of this formula is y minus y sub 1 equals the slope and x minus x sub 1. Okay, so yan po yan. So, by this example or this given, you can locate the other point. So, we have only one point given. So, by using the rise and run, which is the slope, so we can get now, or we can locate now directly the other points. So, from that, we have the 1 unit run and then 2 units rise. So, that is 2, 0. Okay, so negative 2 and 0. Negative 2 and 0. Okay. So, 2 and 0. Other point. So, tama naman yan. Then, by knowing, no, by finding the equation of line of this formula. So, substitute the value of y sub 1 equals y minus negative 2. And equals the slope is 2 and x minus plus minus. So simplify that. So we have y plus 2 equals 2. Then simplify mo na yan yung x. So we have x plus 3. So yun kasi ang purpose na ating ginagawa. Dapat alam mo kung paano gawin yung equation ng line. Okay, hindi lang yung magaling ka mag-locate ang points. So, lahat naman yan yung mahalaga, pati yung slope. So, simplify ulit natin. Dito na para mahaba. Y plus 2 equals 2x plus 6. So, meron ba tayo? Simplify ulit. Y equals 2x plus 6. So, change the sign, lilipat yun. APE minus 2. So, our equation now, y equals 2x plus 4. Okay, now, you can use this to locate the point. So, the first one, because this forming the form of y mx plus b, so you can locate the y, your y equals 4, and 0 point equals 0 and 4 because your x set to 0. So we have now the first point. So after that, extend na lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So dito. So, tamaan ba siya makanan? Okay, so tamaan siya. 0, 4. And then, getting the value of x set to 0, it is already sagot dyan ay 2, 0. 2, 0 because setting the value of y to 0, maging 0 yan. So 2x plus 4. Okay, so 2x plus 4, yan na lang maging 0 to. So ito, nilipat natin ito. Maging negative. So that's why it is negative 4. Then your value of x equals negative 2. Negative 2. Okay, so ito na yan. So nakuha natin dito, negative 2. So negative 2 is 0. Okay, so that is how to apply the point slope form. Okay, then ayan, malapit na tayo matapos. Okay, so the vertical and horizontal. Kapag tinawag na vertical, nasabi natin to sa lesson na yun dun sa slide. Ayan, papakita lang natin ulit. Yun ay tawag ay vertical. So ang vertical lines ay tinatawag yan na the slope is equal to 0. Okay? And the horizontal line, the slope is undefined. So tandaan nyo na po yan, nasabi ko na po yan dati. Paano ba yan natawag at paano yan ginagraph? So kapag given yan, it means that vertical, the value of that is okay. So ito lang naman ito lang yung point niya. So it means that yung value ng x the same constant. Constant yung ayun, locate the 2, 0. So makita mo na. If you have another point, 2, 0. Okay, then 2, 0, then 2, 1. Okay, imagine that. 2, 0, then 2, 1. So imagine that. So the formula of the slope is y sub 1, y sub 2, or y sub 2, y sub 1. So we have use y sub 1 minus y sub 2. Okay, and then your x sub 1 minus x sub 2. So imagine that what can you see this? Okay, so we have negative 1 and then this 0. So what is the rule? If your divisor is 0 or your denominator is 0, it is undefined. So you cannot divide by 0. That is undefined. That is the proof. Okay, so remember that. That's why the vertical line is the undefined. The slope is undefined. At the same time, the line is vertical line. If your value is if x equals to a, then y equals b. That will be the intercept. It means that the intercept of b and then the intercept of x only. No? Yun lang ang hinahanap. Yun lang nadaan natin. Yun lang. Okay. So constant yung kanyang x and y. Okay. So let us see the y. So it means that using this intercept niya ay y, 0, 4. So lahat na yan ay 4 lang. 4 lang lahat. So adding the other point, 0, 4. And then we have 1, 4. Okay, let us see. So by the slope formula, equals. Tingnan nyo. So, y sub 1, y sub 2, we have 4 minus 4. Okay, nakita nyo constant yung ano niya, intercept ng y. So, 0 minus 1. So, since this is 0, okay, so, negative 1, a numbers, 0 divided by n numbers, always 0. Okay, so, 0. That's why the slope of your line is 0, horizontal. And then the vertical is undefined. The slope is undefined because it is 0. Your denominator is 0. So that's why in the rule of division, multiplication, and division, it must be uh, hindi dapat siya 0. No? Hindi dapat 0 ang denominator mo. Must not equal to 0. So, a number divided by 0, always undefined. So, nasa ano yan, ating inaral naman po natin yan lahat. So, tatandaan palagi yan mga rules. Mga rules ng 0. So, simple lang siya pero nakakahilo. Okay? So, ayun. That's all sa ating mga equation of line. Meron pa ba tayong ano kaya dagdag pa dyan? So, lahat ng yun, no? Nakompleto. Kompleto lahat yan. Ating mga equation of lines. So, ayun. So, wala na po. So, ito ang ating mga sagutan lang sa inyong module. At nyo lang lahat. So, letter A, linear equation ax plus by equals c in the form of ymx plus b. Yan. Follow. Ginawa na po natin yan. Write the linear equation of ymx plus b in the form of ax plus b. So, reverse. Okay. At ito, linear equation given the following details using 2 points. Ayan. So, you are going to make a line, equation of line by using 2 points. Then, using the intercept, ayan, yung x over a, then plus y over b equals 1. So, use that. Using the slope and the point. So, the slope point. So, lahat yan, sundan nyo yung mga formula. At kopyahin nyo yung paano ginagawa. Okay. So, masasagutan nyo po lahat yan. Okay. So, ayun. So, at yun lahat. So, ang haba ng slope. So, mahaba siyang topic. At mahirap din. Pero, ayun, ginawa natin simple. At connected lahat ng ating ginawa. No? Isang example lang. Then, para-para yung ginamit natin. Para-para yung lumabas sa sagot. At nagbibig lang tayo ng konti mga examples. Okay. So, sana, no? Makatulong ito. Although talaga mahirap ito. Pero ginawa ko sang simple. At summarized. Okay. Pero, yun, medyo matagal pa rin tayo natapos. So, ayun lang. Sana marami kinatutunan. Aralin mabuti yun. Master nyo. Ayan, tatapos din ang ating lesson. So, maraming salamat at magkita tayong muli. And God bless po sa ating lahat.